Spent too much time doubting my reflection, listening to voices that weren't my own, believing every word that tried to break me, like I had to earn the right to belong. But look at me, I made it through the darkness. Look at me, I got back up again. After every storm that tried to change me, I found the strength that lived within. I don't need permission anymore.